I think most of you are already have been having honey in the morning with warm water, but in this video I'm gonna tell you benefit of honey. But after watching this video you will love to have honey more than now. So hello everyone, I'm Afreen and welcome to my channel. So let's begin this video with first benefit of honey. So it has antioxidant property, which I think all of you know about it. So let's move into the next benefit of honey, which it has antifungal and antibacterial property. So research has shown that honey has property to kill unwanted bacteria and fungus. Next benefit of honey is it promote burn and it heal wounds. So it been found as effective germ killer. Please, you don't apply honey directly any part of your body where you burn or where you cut down, because it's not a good idea to apply directly honey which you purchase from a store, because when in hospital is using for treatment of your body, it means they already search about it, they already settled about it. So don't apply honey directly wherever you found cut in your body or burn in your body. Benefit of honey is it's sore throat remedy. So whenever you got cold, just take full spoon of honey and have it in the night, you will feel better. And so next benefit is honey can help suppress cough in children. Whenever your child get cough, give 1 spoon of honey in night, your child will feel better. But here's one thing, please keep it in mind guys, that you cannot give honey to under 1 year old baby. Like you cannot give infant and you cannot give honey to under 1 year baby. So please keep in mind, because it's danger for baby who are under 1 year old. So you can give honey after 1 year old to any children, any baby. And last and amazing benefit of honey is it will trash all the toxins of your body. That's why we all are having honey in the morning with warm water. So guys, enjoy your honey every day with warm water or anyway. So yes, these all are the benefits of honey. I hope you found this video informative, and if you found this video informative, please give a like to this video and also do subscribe my channel, because I make video like this which are always informative, which helpful, and which always are related to your health, your body. So please consider subscribe my channel and share this video who need to know about honey or any other remedies if you want to know. So please subscribe this channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.